Hello everyone, this is the Bell Makeovers. You're welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you how you can tie round gele by yourself. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also please like this video and share to your friends. So we are going to start by folding 1 or 2 inches of the gele inside. Then you fold your gele into 2 unequal halves. One side will be much longer than the other side, and then we are going to make our pleats. So to make your pleats, you are going to put your fingers, your index finger and your middle fingers underneath the gele, and you are going to have your thumb above the gele, just like what I'm doing now. So with your fingers underneath the gele, you use it to pick some material of the gele up. Once it gets to where the other material is, where you want to form the pleat, you remove the thumb and place it on it to secure that pleat that you have formed. And you go again, you use your index finger or your middle finger to bring some material up, then you bring up your thumb and use it to secure what you have made. And that's how you continue to make your pleats till you get to the desired number. Once I'm done forming my pleats, I place it on my tie like that and rub it together so that it can form like a semicircle shape, and that is so that it doesn't scatter before I can place it on my head. So I'll hold the 2 ends together and then turn it the other way around so I can place it on my head and continue what I'm doing. So I forgot to remove my earrings, and that's me just doing that before going to continue forming my pleats. So I'm making sure that the pleats cover my ears and go all the way to the nape, that's the back of my neck. Then I'm going to cross it at the back. When you are crossing your gele, you make sure that the shorter side goes up above the longer side. You can use your neck and your arm to hold down the shorter side of the gele so it doesn't unravel before you can secure it with the longer side. Once you take the longer side up, you continue forming your pleats. But because you are tying the gele by yourself, it might not be so easy to form all the pleats before you tie. So the first thing we do is to tie the gele at the back. So we need to tie it at the back so that it doesn't fall off while we're trying to create the pleats. Please pay attention to how we tie it at the back now. So you pick half of the flap, that's for the longer side, and you also pick the shorter side. You pick the 2 of them and you tie it together. So while you are tying, the first tie, the way I pulled in, I didn't make it tight. So now I'm looking for the side that is not sewn. Can you see the side that is not sewn that I'm holding? So the sides that are not sewn is what you will pull to make it tight. That way you are pulling only the base, which is already on your head. You are not pulling. If you pull everything together, you're going to make your gele very small that you won't even see material to use to form your pleats. So we're going to start making our pleats now. If any part of the explanation is not clear to you, please ask in the comment section and I will explain better. So now we're going to continue forming our pleats. For the pleats that we made initially, that's the one that is already on the head, we formed them one after the other. But for this one now, you are going to be placing the pleats right on top of each other. Can you see what I'm saying? You are placing the pleats, you're not placing it to the back, you are placing it right on top. That's what is going to give your gele height, and that's what we are going to do till we exhaust the gele material. I really hope I'm making sense. Please, if you don't understand anything, ask in the comment section. For now, I'm just making the pleats at the center. When I finish making those ones, then I'll work my way down to the left side and to the right side. I'm going to be honest with you. You might experience some arm ache while you are tying this gele. My arms were paining me at some point. So if you've not liked this video, at least compensate me by liking it. Please. So now we are done with the middle part. I'm working my way down the left side now. Then I'll go to the right side to go and finish it. So what I'm doing basically is the pleats I created in the middle, I'm just continuing them, following the ones I've created. You don't need to create new pleats, just follow the lines of the ones that you have already done all the way to the end. Then you go to the other side and also do the same thing. If you have other gele styles that you would like me to tie, you can send them to my DM on Instagram at the Bell Makeovers. Is on the screen. you can send the pictures to me and I will tie them on this channel for you. Or if it is a particular makeup look you want as well, just send it to my DM or leave it in the comment section and I will definitely work on them. I'm just trying to make sure that that side is arranged. Then I'll go to the other side, and it is at this side now that I will start to give the gele height. So depending on how long your material is, you can make your gele as high as you want. You can see how I'm trying to push it up so that it can be a bit high and not just flat on the head. So as I'm forming the pleats, I'll push the material up till I'm satisfied. Then I'll go to the back and finish up the pleats. You make sure that you take your pleats all the way to the back. Remember the double knots that we tied at the back. Now we're going to loosen one and we're going to put the excess gele that is remaining from that end inside it and tie. The reason I do my gele like this is so that if my gele is too small, I can just pull it out, or if it's too big, I can pull it inside. I'm doing that now, you can see. So I'll just retie the knot over it and go to the front to put finishing touches to the gele. I'll also pin the remaining material at the back to cover my hair, and that's basically it for our round gele. If you'll be tying this round gele on yourself, let me know in the comment section, and when you do try it, please let me see the picture. You can send them to my DM on Instagram. I really love feedbacks. I would love to hear from you. So that's me just trying to push the gele back to expose my hairline a bit, and we are done with our round gele. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Step beyond our door, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape